How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Eric and this is my garage. Now, as you guys can tell, it's a mess, but that's not the point of today's video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace a coolant reservoir tank on a 2003 through 2006 Kia Sorento. The coolant reservoir tanks on these vehicles usually fail from three places. The first place that they normally fail from is from this nipple right here. Sometimes when you go to remove the hose that goes on here, you'll break this most of the times. You can also break this larger nipple right here, so that's another one. And then the third one is if the actual tank cracks, like right here at the seam or somewhere in the back or on the bottom right here. Now on my vehicle, if you take a look down here, you can see where my coolant reservoir is leaking on my vehicle. So it started leaking right here. It also has another little hole right over here. It's pretty easy to replace these. The hardest part is actually finding one in good shape. Now you can actually go ahead and try to get one from the salvage yard. That's where I got mine from. We're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. Go ahead and remove these two fasteners right over here, and then there is one more down right over here. And then you also need to unclip these two hoses over here. And then that's pretty much it. Let me go ahead and show you guys how that's done though. We're gonna give the engine about 10 minutes to cool off. In the meantime, here are some of the tools that you're gonna need. You're gonna need a 3/8 ratchet with an extension and a 10mm. You're gonna also need some pliers, so go ahead and have these available. And that's about it. You also wanna go ahead and get some coolant to top off any of the coolant that you might lose when you replace this. We're gonna go ahead and start off by removing the two hoses down here. So go ahead and get your pliers and just remove these clamps out of the way. And like I said, if you're getting these at the salvage yard, you want to be very careful with these nipples right here because they will break. So just be very careful. You want to go ahead and just twist this side to side for a bit. And then what you can do is just try to move it sideways. Once you remove your hoses, go ahead and remove the three fasteners that hold down the container right here to the top. So just go ahead and remove these two and the one that we saw right over there. Install the replacement coolant reservoir by doing the opposite of what we did to remove the old one. So I'm just sneaking this down right in here into its place. Connect your two hoses back onto the coolant reservoir. Tap off your coolant. This is gonna wrap up the video. If you guys did like what you guys saw, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace out.